Let me now give you my solution to this problem 2. This is on your turn. So we have a data set from a nonprofit organization, and we want to run the following program on it. And I give you a little hint that it's nearly identical to the Siegel program that you'd run earlier. And so I say, instead of typing the whole thing over, let's recycle. So we'll take the code that we've already used. We'll just copy that file and then make a few changes. So let's follow my hint. Right now I'm in my root directory, so let's go to class. So I'm now in class, and you'll see that we have this Siegel data set. Now I need to copy this to make a new version of it. So we're going to say cp siegel.sas, and then let's call the new one nonprofit.sas. If I do an ls, what you'll see is that we now have an additional file out there called nonprofit.sas. Let's go edit that. So here we are. It's pretty much what we had in that Siegel data set. I guess we're going to have to change a few things. We have to get rid of all the employee data sets and replace those with nonprofits. So there's a couple ways we can do this, and I might as well show them both to you. One is I could find employee. Okay, so I just found all the occurrences of employee. Now I'm going to do a change word. So we're going to say CW, and I'm going to now, so notice I'm now in insert mode. I'll type in nonprofit. I'm going to exit insert mode. So now I'm back in command mode. And I want to find the next occurrence of employee. So I hit the letter little n. So now it brings me to the next occurrence. And this gives us the opportunity to learn a really important command. If I hit the period, it repeats the previous command. So the previous command was to change word. So I just changed it with one keystroke. Let's find the next occurrence. So hit N and then hit dot. And we just changed that. Okay, that is one way to do it. Not a bad way. You wanna know about that. I'm going to undo it by hitting U 3 times. And I'll now show you another way to do this. We could also do a search and replace. So to do a search and replace, I'm going to hit colon, and then I have to specify a range of lines where I want to do the search and replace. So let's do $1, $. So $1, $$ means start on the first line of the file and go all the way through to the end of the file. So $sign always means end in Unix and in VI. Now we want to do a substitute. So $1, $s means I want to substitute on all lines, find all occurrences of the word employee, and I'm separating all these arguments with a /. I want to replace those with the word nonprofit. The last slash, I believe, is optional. If you hit return, you'll notice that it makes all those changes for you. All right, so either way is acceptable. Now, let's see. This was that edited version. I'm going to go up one line by hitting K, or up arrow. I'm going to delete a paragraph, so I'm going to say D parenthesis, and that deletes that last block. Now I'm going to hit the left curly brace twice. And now I'm going to hit a capital P to put what I just deleted. All right, so I just moved that block of text up. I'm going to hit little w twice. That moves me to freak. And I'm going to do a change word. CW, let's make this contents. Hit escape to leave exit mode. I'm going to do a down arrow. Hit DD to get rid of table. So DD gets rid of table. Now let's see, we got to go down to that var statement. Get rid of the var and the sum if we want it to match up with what's in my course packet. So let's do what? 1, 2, 3, 3 J's. So J or down arrow, whatever you prefer. Now to delete these two lines, I'm going to hit DJ. So D, J means go down, and so it just zapped those two lines for me. Now if you look back in the course packet, I need an obs equals statement after print. So if I do a K, that takes me up. $sign takes me to the end of the line. We're going to do an insert with a little I. So it puts me into insert mode, obs equals 10. Close the parenthesis, hit escape to leave exit mode. Well, the only other thing is I don't need that var statement under the means. So let's do a find for it. I mean, I could just hit J a couple times, but I'll do a /var. Now I want to get rid of that line, so I hit DD, and it is gone. I'm going to write it, and let's quit as well. And I'm now in a position to run it. So let's say SAS nonprofit. Takes a second. Now let's VI them. So VI nonprofit.star. And let's see if there's any error messages. So we'll search for error. Nope, not found. Cool. You might want to look through and just see what it's done. We'll be doing more of that next time. Let's go to the next file. I do that with a :n. And you'll get to see what's exactly in this file. So you have 197 cases, 4 variables. What you have is a donor ID, and you know how much they donated on each date. And this source refers to the solicitation, so a mailing, that generated that donation. They can track it back. And that's my solution. So to get out, I'm going to hit Q exclamation point. The exclamation point means I don't want to edit any more files in the queue. And so I'm out, and that's my solution.